Hey guys, Kelly here with Mindful Bodyworks. So today we're going to do just a really quick stretch or chair yoga. So this is super easy. All you need is a chair. You don't even have to be dressed to work out. I'm still in my office clothes. So go ahead and join me. Find a comfortable seat. You do want your feet to be able to touch the ground, and you do want to be able to sit up nice and tall. So a firmer chair or a chair that has a back where you're safe would be a good idea. So let's go ahead and start by inhaling the arms up and exhaling down. Good. Inhaling the arms up and exhaling down. And work with your own breath. If you need to breathe a little faster or a little slower than I am, go ahead and let your arms reflect that. We'll do 2 more, inhaling up and exhaling down. Last one. Good. And now we're going to inhale the arms up, and we're going to take one arm up and over out to the side. It doesn't matter which one you choose. And with this, you really want to open up just a little bit, so you don't want to be leaning forward. You want to lean that arm up and out over the ear and the head. Now I'm grabbing onto the chair. You can also put your hand on your hip or whatever you have to support yourself. But you want to feel a nice stretch in your side body. Still breathing here, opening the chest. And on your next inhale, come on up. Exhale the arms down. And inhale up. And come to the other side. Breathing. Again, opening that chest up towards the front or the ceiling just a little bit. Really feeling a stretch. Every exhale takes you a little bit further into your stretch. And on your next inhale, you can come up. Inhale those arms up and exhale. Good. Now we're going to do a real simple twist. So we're just going to go to that first side that you started with, and we're going to put our hand on that knee, and we're just going to twist the spine. So just twisting to one side. Now I have a nice straight back. My head is over my seat. And I'm breathing. On every exhale, try and twist just a little bit more. And when you're ready, you can come back to center. So in these twists, we want to make sure that we're going full range of motion, but we want to make sure that we're also not forcing the pose. So go ahead and come to the other side. We'll put our hand on the outside of our knee and twist the opposite direction. Really breathing. And then coming back to center when you're ready. So from here, we're going to inhale those arms up. And this time we're going to exhale and bring our arms forward. So we're stretching out the back. Now if you can't lean this far forward, no problem. You can put your hands on your thighs and just lean as far as comfortable, or even your forearms, and just leaning as far as it feels good for your back. Now if you can, I'm going to turn sideways just so you can see me, but if you can roll forward enough to let your whole back stretch out. So this stretches our low back, but if we can relax our neck down and our upper back, rounding the back here, it feels really juicy, really good. Still breathing. Every exhale takes us a little bit further into our stretch. Relaxing the head, neck, and jaw.
ready, slowly coming up one vertebrae at a time. Your head is the last thing to come up.
And now we're going to go ahead and just stretch out our neck. So we're going to do some neck circles, nice and slow, like the second hand of a clock. Just circling our head around to where it's comfortable. We'll go 3 circles one direction, and then we'll switch. Nice and slow. And after you've done 3 circles one direction, go ahead and switch directions, nice and slow. These are often really easy to speed through, so make sure that you're letting those muscles stretch. And this is the last one for me. To center. And let's go ahead and do some circles with those shoulders. Bringing the shoulders down and back. And then we'll go the other direction. Over exaggerating that roll. And now we're just going to take our hands behind us. So there's a couple of different ways to do this. You can either just clasp your arms behind you and open the chest. Or if it's comfortable, you can interlace the fingers and pull the shoulder blades together and down the back, if your chair allows. Or if you'd like to, you can also just do prayer hands to stretch out your wrist behind your back, so it looks just like this. And the prayer hands here are pointed down. If you're really flexible, you can also point that up. Okay, so pick which one works well for you and open the chest. Sit nice and tall and breathe. For so many hours we sit hunched over, so let's make sure we open the chest, open the heart. Nice straight spine. And when you're ready, you can release out of the pose. So now we're going to do one more spinal roll. We're going to inhale those arms up, looking up. And exhale, we'll come all the way down, just as we did before. And then from here, we'll just hang out for one breath. And when you're ready, we're going to start rolling the spine up, one vertebrae at a time. Nice and slow and controlled. Oh, that feels good. All right. So let's go ahead and end our practice by bringing our hands together, prayer center or heart center. And we're going to go ahead and close our eyes, dip our chin towards our fingertips. And we'll take a breath here. One more breath just to help us get ready for the day or get through the day. Exhaling anything that doesn't deserve space in our mind or our body. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and open your gaze and slowly bring your head up. Thank you so much for taking the time to do a little chair yoga with me today. I hope these stretches help you, and be sure to like and subscribe down below. I really appreciate that. Feel free to comment as well if you'd like to see any classes or any instructional videos on this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.